Good morning, dear students. Today in this video we'll study about sexual reproduction. Children, it is an advanced form of reproduction and it involves two individuals. In lower plants and lower animals, the two individuals cannot be differentiated, but in advanced animals and plants, they are called males and females, having different structures and functions. The males produce male gametes are known as sperms, and the female produces female gametes known as egg. Both the types of gametes are haploid and are produced by the process of meiosis in higher plants and animals. Sperms and eggs fuse to form a diploid zygote. This process is known as fertilization. Children, in higher organisms like human beings, the fertilization takes place inside the body. Inside the mother's womb, the fertilization takes place. Means egg and sperm fuse inside the body. And in some organisms like fish, the fertilization takes place outside the body. Females, they release eggs over them. The male, they release sperms. In this way, the fertilization takes place outside the body. In sexual reproduction, the offsprings are not identical to the parents. They have different types of characters according to chromosomes because they are produced by the DNA of two different organisms. Now the next topic is why the sexual mode of reproduction only. Children, sexual mode of reproduction involves fusion of gametes from two different organisms. So it brings about diversity in the organisms. New combinations of characters are produced. It plays a key role in the origin of species. It brings about variations. Creation of two new cells from one cell involves copying of DNA together with cellular apparatus. The mechanism of DNA copying cannot be absolutely accurate, and the resultant copy of DNA has some errors that cause variations in populations of organisms. However, every individual organisms cannot be protected by variations, but variations in a population are useful for enduring the species survival. In asexual mode of reproduction, a large number of organisms are produced at a time. Although DNA copying mechanisms are not absolutely accurate, yet they are precise enough to make the generation a fairly slow process. Each new variation in a DNA copy has variations accumulated from previous generations. Combination of two or more individuals sexually would create new combination of variants. Each combination would be excellent because it would involve two different individuals with different variants. However, sexual mode of reproduction also creates a major difficulty. Due to combination of DNA copies from different individuals, twice the quantity DNA will be formed. As a result, DNA will accumulate in every forthcoming generation in cells with no space for anything else. This problem is solved by receiving only half the number of chromosomes, that is half the amount of DNA in germ cell. Thank you. I hope you understood it.